In the question we have that a liquid of mass m and specific heat S is heated to a temperature T. So liquid 1, it has mass m, specific heat S, and it is heated to a temperature T. Another liquid, liquid 2, it has mass m by 3, specific heat 2S, and temperature 2T. If these two liquids are mixed, we need to find the resultant temperature. So we know the formula Tr is equal to M1S1T1 plus M2S2T2 by M1S1 plus M2S2. This is M1, this is M2. Mass 1, mass 2, specific 1, heat 1, specific heat 2, temperature 1, temperature 2. So Tr is equal to M1 is M, S1 is S, T1 is T, plus M2 is M by 3, S2 is 2S, T2 is 2T, by M1 S1, MS plus M2 S2, that is M by 3 into 2S. So Tr is equal to, by taking LCM we get 3 MST plus M into 4 into S into T divided by 3 whole divided by, here also we'll take LCM, we get 3 ms plus 2 ms by 3. So we get 3 mst plus 4 mst, that is 7 mst by 3 into 3 by 3 ms plus 2 ms, 5 ms. 3 will get cancelled, ms will get cancelled. So Tr is equal to 7 by 5 T. So the option is 4.